In this video, we'll show you how to use cloud phones for Etsy. Let's walk through the setup together. This is your Multilogin dashboard. This is where you create and manage your cloud phones. Multilogin provides real Android phones in the cloud. Use them to manage Etsy shops, respond to customers, track orders, and handle listings without extra devices. Click Create to set up your first phone. Enter a name for your profile and choose how many phones you want. Each phone works independently. Select Etsy as your use case. This adds an Etsy icon to your profile. Use tags to organize stores, products, or team workflows. Add a proxy to give your phone a local IP address. Choose Multilogin as your proxy provider. Select where you'd like your phone to connect from. We offer more than 150 locations worldwide. Choose a device brand and model to create realistic mobile signals for the platform. Click Create to save your phone. Start your phone by clicking the Play button. Your cloud phone is now running and ready to use. Upload files, adjust display settings, or access additional tools from the sidebar. Open the Apps icon to access the App Store. Search for the Etsy app and install it. You can also add shipping or inventory management apps to your cloud phone. Open the Etsy app once installation is complete. Sign in to manage listings, messages, and orders from your cloud phone. Repeat the same process for your other stores. Multilogin cloud phones help Etsy sellers keep everything organized in one place. Click the link in the description to get started.